What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox from A Couture Crafting. I am your quilty BFF, and today I cannot tell you how excited I am to be making this video. This is insane. 17,000 subscribers. I never in a million years thought that this is where this channel would be right now at this time. It's amazing. I'm gonna try not to cry through this video because, you know, it's a little emotional to think that 17,000 of you thought enough to hit the subscribe button, not just watch the videos, but actually subscribe and want to continue to hang out with me and go on this quilty crazy journey. So it's 2024. Happy New Year. The best way to celebrate the new year is to do a giveaway, is to hook you guys up. Now, this is a bunch of random stuff, all brand new, never used, all packaged currently, and it's just, I'm super excited about it. So in order to enter this giveaway, you must be following my YouTube channel and you must leave a comment about the quilty things that you're looking forward to this year. And you have to also be following me on my Instagram channel, and you must leave a comment over there that talks about all the quilty things that you're looking forward to in 2024. So once you've done that, yes, you are entered. I am going to pull from the comments. Instagram is free. I know most of you guys are like, but we're here on YouTube. I get it, but we're trying to grow that channel too. We are trying to grow this business. We're trying to grow all the things. And this is my way of saying thank you. So let me show you guys what all is in this giveaway. And I hope to see you guys on this channel coming along with me on this crazy quilty journey in 2024. So here are all the things that are going in this giveaway, and there are tons and tons of things on this table, lots of fabric. If you need fabric, this might be the giveaway for you. If you like, I guess, jelly rolls, fat quarter stacks, charm squares, few notions, this might be the giveaway for you. I'm going to go through this really quickly and pack it all back into a bag. And that is what we will be doing. So stay tuned. So our first is a Jerry's Jelly Roll Jig for those of you who want to make the jelly roll rug. Here I have 1 yard cuts of Fran Morgan's fabric. I couldn't use all this fabric in a lifetime. These are 1 yard cuts. It's absolutely beautiful. I just couldn't use it all. So it is 1 yard cuts, you guys, of her new fabric line. She's got another one coming out right now. So this is the one that's currently in stores. We have some super cute fat quarters that came from Joann's with another fat quarter stack. Then we have a jelly roll of just one color I thought was really pretty. Now we have a charm pack of Carolyn Freelander. Then we have some more fat quarters that are purple. Then we have this miscellaneous fat quarter stack here. I see a little bit of everybody in there. Then we have some RJR fat quarters here, a fat quarter stack. Then we have holiday fabric, another thing of holiday fabric. We have a holiday fabric jelly roll. We have a bag charm. We have a TQM tiny ruler, notion bags, a bobbin holder, a bunch more. Are these half yard cuts or fat quarters? I think these are fat quarters of Free Spirit, various Free Spirit fabrics. We have a wild boho set for all of you who are doing the embroidery stitching. We have a charm pack of Tula. We have some Tula cuts here, fat quarters. We have an Anna Maria Horner stack here, very pretty. We have a tape measure. We are giving away this fat quarter stack. This is by Bernard Tex. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're doing Eclectic Elements. This is an amazing fat quarter. This is by Tim Holtz, Free Spirit Fabrics again. Next, we have the Houndstooth Basics by Henry Glass. This is an amazing bundle, especially if you're doing a masculine quilt. This is by QT Fabrics, a little tiny jelly roll. Then we have a layer cake Dresden ruler, a little notepad, I love this thing, the Alpha blade right here, little cutie patootie notion, a Caterpillar glow, the Caterpillar ruler holder. We have a 1/4 inch ruler, Missouri Star. We have, what else? Tons of threads, Metler, Wonderfill, Floriani, Aurifil, and who else? I forget, but we've got some thread there. We've got a Quilter Select ruler handle to go with your Quilter Select ruler. This is my favorite size, one of my favorite size rulers. It's a 6x12. Those will go together. These are pen blades. I always keep one around. I love them because they're retractable and you just toss them when you're done. This is a Juicy Juice charm pack. This is a Wilmington charm pack. No, that's a fat quarter stack. This is a pattern by Lamb Farm Designs. This is a bobbin holder. There's another bobbin holder in the bag and a magnetic pin cushion. The Blade Saver thread cutter. Love this guy. It's one of my favorite notions of 2023. I use mine all the time. Mine sits right here. We've got more thread by Elfina. That's Wonderfill. The type is Elfina. We've got some tiny little charm packs, some more Free Spirit. You can totally make something amazing with that. We've got Clover Wonder Clips, a Clover point turner, one of my favorite point turners. We've got different various sizes of clips with the things you can use to mark them. This little tiny guy is by Robin Pickens. So cute. This is her new holiday line. We've got another tape measure because you can't have too many. Super cute necklace by Carolina Moore. It glows because she's all about that glow ruler. Another Missouri Star ruler. This one right here is a 6.5 square ruler. A Janome badge holder plus something, you know, if you want to just keep it around your neck. A water bottle because you always need a water bottle next to your station. A Daylight yo-yo magnifier. You guys know that's a good one right there. And then we have Tula Pink webbing. It's the kind of thing you want, but you don't want to have to pay for yourself. All right, guys, that is everything that is going in this giveaway. Oh, I'm wrong. Here is another 2.5 inch square ruler that's going in the bag. And that is the giveaway. Again, thank you guys so much for hanging around with me, for supporting me. If you guys like what you see, if you guys think that I've got some more journeys that you guys want to come along and experience with me, please, please, please subscribe, enter this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Instagram, and leave a comment on both telling me what you are looking forward to quilty in 2024. Thanks so much for all of your support, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Something else I decided to do is, if you've made it all the way through to the end of this video, put your t-shirt size next to your comment on both the YouTube and the Instagram comment. You don't have to tell everybody, just go on ahead and put your t-shirt size and you'll get a t-shirt that is very, very special. All right. Thanks.